Hey guys, that's insane, y'all. This man is so long, extremely long. That's insane, y'all. Very like, oh, it's like at least like 6, at least about 7 inches.
What's the name of this again? Manly?
Yeah, manly.
Manly. Manly?
Yeah, probably so.
I'm gonna show them this. Hey guys, what's up, babes? What's up, family? Welcome. Guys, I'm about to do my song here, and we are using this. I can't really say the name correctly, but it's right here.
I think they know what that is.
Manly
You gotta show 'em to 'em.
basil mint. I'm trying to show it to them.
There you go.
But anyways, it's for deep, but it's a deep conditioner, guys. It's protein, moisturizing, refreshing for dry and damaged hair.
I got dry hair. Just,
For damaged dry hair. Let's get into it, y'all.
I think.
Oh, it's right there. I'm just gonna open it up and put it in your hair and let it sit for a minute.
Yeah, I feel like you should put the deep treatment conditioner.
Yes, you have to stay in your hair. I gotta wash it. Let me see if I gotta wash it out.
Alright, just read it.
I'm gonna read it.
I will read
Here,
it.
go ahead, read it. Go ahead.
Okay.
You can read it.
Conditioner. Good protein exercise to reduce damage hair.
Hi, family. Thank y'all for my 300 subscribers. I grew his hair, y'all. I did this.
Yep.
I grew my son hair. It's so long, thick.
Very long.
Okay, guys, what it say?
Hold on. And other naturals that help reduce moisturize, damage hair and dry. Safe tools on color treatment hair. Okay. Made with. Alright.
You might not have to wash it out, I don't think.
Shampoo, stretching hair, and force.
Dead end.
Okay. Deep conditioner to clean damp hair
Deep conditioner.
and from roots to tip. Covered with plastic cap for 15
I know
minutes.
you gotta let it sit for a while.
Yep. Treatment
that's all I need.
sit under dryer. I had to put in the dryer for 30 minutes. Like a.
Well, we got them, so we're gonna use a bag.
Yeah, like a good bag.
I don't got no shower cap, not no stuff right now.
I got like a bag cap.
No, you need like a thin, like a shower cap, something to put, let your hair sit in, or just a bag. But now we don't got that.
God, this the world, y'all. It's insane. My hair, I've been growing this hair for like a long time. Under about, I say 4.5 years now. I feel like we've been growing like much longer. About four or 5 years. It just feel like 3, actually. I feel like 2.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good.
We just rub it in, y'all. Rub it in, family.
Yep.
And it do smell minty, y'all. Like it really does.
Actually, y'all, I did buy this with my own money, so.
Okay, big money. Y'all, he could save some money, honey.
Yep. Yeah, I actually can save money. Because I don't ever spend money normally. But.
All right, y'all. I'm putting it in the scalp, y'all, okay? So they say it's for dry hair, so
yep.
I'm putting this out of the scalp, okay?
So rinse her for 30 minutes. Rinse hair with cool water and style as deep dry. Loose. Oh yeah. So illustration do not language or lose on eyes. So I mean, I had to close my eyes. So
Let me close your eyes.
Like this, where it's a warning as this is to do not engage or lose our eyes.
Okay, I'm careful.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Now we got the back, y'all. Gotta get the front part. I gotta be very careful. They said not to put in his eyes. So I'm gonna be careful, y'all. His hair is like it's real healthy, y'all. Like for real.
It's really healthy. Like that's funny. I love my hair healthy.
Let me get this on in here. We might have to come back to another second video, y'all, because he won't have to sit, okay? So it's gonna be the first video right here.
First?
Then we're gonna do the last one we actually braid his hair, okay?
Yep.
I can burn my hand, y'all. What the heck?
That's not good.
I don't need some gloves. Try about.
Probably gloves you need.
But it's sitting there.
Do you need gloves?
I think that's all he needs. No, I'm okay.
Alright.
But it's really strong, y'all. Like,
I can tell it's
so
really
it should work good, you know, make his hair not be so dry. And he do have dry hair.
I do. I just said that on the beginning of the video.
But today it seems like it's not that dry. Look at it.
Not dry at all, no.
So yeah, it's all in there, y'all. It's in there, family. I'm gonna put some right here. Well, nuts in there too. I'm good. Close your eyes. I'm gonna hurt you, babe. Okay. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Go subscribe to Shonda'sLife, guys. We're almost to 300 subscribers. Now, yeah, we kind of like to look, y'all. We're gonna put this. Sorry, guys, I'm strong. We're gonna just put the bag over his hair because we don't got no no little shower cap, anything like that. So we're just gonna do this. Let it sit for 30 minutes.
Yep.
Curtis, tell me your channel, please.
Alright, y'all. Go to my YouTube channel named Life with GB Boy Curtis, y'all. It don't start with the B-O-Y on it. It start with the B. It just basically start with the B-O-I on it. So yeah, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. So yeah, y'all. And basically, I will definitely show y'all. Hold on. I got my phone right here, y'all. Wait a minute, y'all. Give me like a good minute. So, I'll show y'all to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Haven't been posting for quite some time because I've been busy from school, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I've been busy a whole lot more. But go ahead to see my recent videos. So. And y'all, I didn't post for 9 days straight, so that's the same. So y'all, that's my YouTube channel. See, it's called Life with GB Boy Curtis. Y'all, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, go ahead to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, give me to 200. So yeah.
Thank you for watching this video, y'all, and I'll be back, family. Don't y'all. Sorry for this. Y'all, please go subscribe to my song channel, my subscribers. I love y'all so much, and thank you for my 3 subscribers, guys. Sorry, guys, but my sinuses is trying to act up right now, but it's okay. But anywho, I love you guys so much, and please go subscribe to Shonda'sLife on YouTube, and don't forget to turn that bell on. And I love you guys, and we're out of here. Don't forget, you are the heel and not that tail. You are the body. I love y'all.
Bye, y'all.
See y'all in a minute.
Pretty.
Go ahead, y'all. Subscribe.
Yeah, y'all.
We're going to hang it up.
Alright, y'all. We will see y'all in the next video. So, yeah.
Peace.
Peace.